VisualStudio.net is, as the name implies, a visual program. And if you look down at the bottom here, you can see that right now we're in Design View. This is a blank form in Design View, much like something you'd see in Microsoft Front Page or Macromedia's Dreamweaver for creating web pages. You can also look at the code behind the scenes. If you click this little button that says HTML, and you'll see the HTML that's in this web form web page. Now keep in mind, Active Server Pages and ActiveServerPages.net are designed so that the code that you write fits right in with your HTML. With Active Server Pages, you might write some VB script code calling some ASP objects and place it right inside your HTML file. With ActiveServerPages.net and VisualStudio.net, your code is actually going to go inside what they call a code behind file. It has the same name as your ASPX file, but it has a .vb on the end. It has a .vb because we're working in the template for Visual Basic projects, so our code is going to be written in VisualBasic.net. Let's go back to Design View, and we'll start making our application by adding controls to our web form. The easiest way to do that is go up to the menu, click on View, and go down to the toolbox. There's our toolbox. There's HTML controls we can add, submit buttons, text fields, text areas, password fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, hidden fields, and so forth, and of course labels. But let's go up to web forms. We've got many of the same types of controls, but these are formatted as web server controls, meaning they have some extra capabilities. We'll get more into that later, but for now, let's take a look at what we can do as far as getting these controls onto the web form and setting some of their properties. So click on the label control, and now on your web form, you can draw a label. Now, if you're used to a visual editing programs, you might think you can just click inside this control and change the text. That's really not the case, though. You need to go to the Properties box, find the property that's labeled Text, click in the Content area, First Web App. Whoops. There we go. Click anywhere else, and you can see that what you've typed in there as the text property for this control now shows up as the text that's displayed on this label.